Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa and I am going to be working on our 4th August Mini Kit Monday layout. And I'm going to scrapbook this picture of my friends. This is from our cruise. We went to Ensenada. So I'm going to put this on the side. By the way, I did print this using my selfie. So I'm going to cut this out because it didn't print centered. But I'm going to cut it out and cut it centered. So there you go. Now put this on the side for now so I can go ahead and grab it later and not lose it. These are the items that I'm planning to use. I am going to use these two stickers here from Hobby Lobby. And I am also going to use scraps from our previous layouts. And by the way, I'm going to use this white cardstock here as our base. Now I'm going to put this on the side for now. I'm going to go ahead and cut up our scraps here to create our layout. So to start, this is already an 8-inch paper and I'm going to cut it into half. So that's 6 by 8, putting this on the side again. And then we are also going to get, by the way guys, before I continue, this is a layout that I saw in Pinterest. And again, I am trying to remember what it looked like. So I'm gonna cut off 6 inches off of this paper. And then so basically it got cut into half. Again, I'm going to put this on the side for later, and then I'm going to cut this down to 8 inches again. There you go. And then I'm going to cut 2 inches off of this. See where it starts at 8 inches. So I'm going to just cut 2 inches out of this and then cut it down to 2 by 6. Then off of this, I want to use only by 6 off of this. So I'm going to cut this down to 4 inches by 6 inches. I am thinking, actually considering cutting this down to 5 inches instead of 6 inches. So I'm going to cut this down to 5 inches. Let's see, actually, let me cut this paper down to 5 by 7. I'm sorry, I'm changing my mind midstream here, guys. Again, I'm just trying to remember the layout. And so there you go, 5 by 7. With this, I'm going to make a cut here. So I'm gonna cut in about 3/4 of an inch in. It's going to be a shallow fishtail. And it's not straight even, so I'm not going to worry about that too much. There you go. Okay, so let's lay this down. I'm thinking of putting this down here, offsetting it by 1 inch. And then we have this here. We're going to place this to basically break the pattern right there. Then we're going to have this go here. And the picture, I am thinking, will go right there. This is how I like it. Then I'm thinking also, guys, we've already cut this. I'm also thinking of putting about 1/2 inch of this paper down here, and maybe actually I'm gonna put it down here, and then maybe have that offset right there. Yeah, I think I like it this way. So I'm going to commit this. I'm gonna cut this 2 down. I'm cutting this by 1/2 inch right in the middle. And I am thinking cutting this down to 3/4 of an inch. make that 1 inch. I'm gonna put this down here. I think that'll be good. Put it this way. Then I'm gonna cut about, I'm gonna trim this down to 6 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this and put this on top. Put an adhesive down here. And then put this on top. This set like so. And then go ahead and put this down. Guys, if you hear some vehicles or cars passing by, that's because I'm right here. My window is right in front of me, and I am just going to, I'm scrapbooking in front of the window, just so I can, you know, I can get the full effect of this natural light. I'm just about an inch this way, so I'm just eyeballing it, guys. About an inch. Okay, and then I'm thinking I want this in the middle like so, so I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive down here and then try to center it. Doesn't have to be perfect. This goes like so, and then we'll put the Ensenada group over there. Easy layout, guys, very easy as usual. Giving you the dimensions so you can replicate it later. So again, 1 inch off of this and 1/2 inch off of this at the bottom. 1 inch here, 1/2 inch over there. And then I want to put this right in the center, like so. So several layers. Oops. So I'm only putting this down like 1/4 of an inch down here, and then the rest, I'm just eyeballing it right now, and then the rest will fall on off of the top. And then I'm going to put Ensenada, my group here, the picture right there. There you go. And now the decorating starts. All right. Okie dokie. I'm a little excited about this because I am just loving all this colors here. Okay, destination is what I'm getting. Okay, destination Ensenada. So let's see. So I'm not gonna put any adhesive or the wet glue here. And then what I plan to do is put this over so, like so. It kind of shows our destination is Ensenada. And then I'll put getaway. Actually, hold on. Let me see what we have here that I could use. Since we have something down here, I need something up here. So I want to go ahead. I'm going to turn this around a bit so I can at least figure out where I want this banner. I've been itching to use this banner, so I think I'm going to put the banner up here. I know it's a little up, it's upside down right now, but it will work. Destination Ensenada. And then I want to put, thinking of putting a hat over here, right here. So let's see if it'll work. The sombrero. See if the sombrero will work over there. And I think it does. Perfect. Okay, should I still go? I want to put this cover over here. Okay, let's put this cover up here. I think I'm gonna stop right now, or else I'm gonna put more and more items here. I am not gonna stop if I don't stop right now. I think I like how it looks like right now. And okay guys, I have to stop or else I'm going to stickerify this layout here. I think I like how it looks like right now. So anyway guys, this is how I created this layout. I hope you enjoyed watching me go through my thought process in creating this layout. If you like this layout guys, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, I hope you would consider subscribing. We're trying to grow our My Scrappiness family. And yeah, that's it for now guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Be safe. Bye.